Ang paniniwala ko po, ang taong ito walang iba kundi si Mar Rojas.
President Aquino's endorsement may boost the ratings of Liberal Party presidential bet Mar Rojas in the next round of surveys, but it's no magic wand that can win him the election. Political analysts say the presidential nod could be an advantage or a kiss of death for Rojas.
People would really like those programs to continue. No, it will definitely be a plus factor. For example, when Cory Aquino endorsed Fidel V. Ramos.
Kung masama tingin kay Pinoy, malamang masama tingin sa kanya. Pero kung maganda tingin kay Pinoy, that doesn't necessarily mean buboto sila kay Mar.
University of the Philippines Professor Roland Simbulan says Rojas may benefit from Aquino's popularity, as in the case of former President Ramos. The former defense chief was backed by the late President Cory Aquino and succeeded her.
Yun nga, yung endorsement ni Cory Aquino was really an important factor kasi she was at the height of her popularity at the time that the 1992 elections were held.
Institute for Political and Electoral Reform Executive Director Mon Casiple thinks otherwise.
I don't count that as a power of the endorsement. Kasi, una, mababa ang nakuha na boto ni FBR, 23%.
He says a candidate must have his own identity.
Strategically, disastrous yun. Yung desisyon na kumabit sa daang matuwid. Kasi every time na may mangyari dyan, isasama ka.
Casiple says popularity is non-transferable. Therefore, the people will vote for a president based on their own assessment of candidates. There were times when an endorsement by an incumbent president has proven to be worthless. Former President Gloria Arroyo raised the hand of her Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro in the 2010 polls. Teodoro distanced himself from the unpopular president, but still lost to his second cousin.
This outgoing president is unpopular, no? And may ganong perception sila na corrupt siya.
For some voters, Aquino's endorsement does not dictate their choice for the country's next leader.
Actually, hindi naman po kasi porket in-endorse ng presidente si Mar, is kailangan boto natin sila.
Others give it weight.
Malaking bagay yung endorse siya ni President kasi yung ibang tao, maiinggan yung bumoto sa kanya.
While analysts think Rojas has an edge over other possible contenders in terms of experience, they say he must first find a way into the hearts of the people who see him as an elitist and can't relate to their ordinary lives. Ivy Saunar, CNN Philippines.